Guys, welcome back to Mr. Romeo DIY TV. So for today's video, I'm going to share you what I've ordered on Luckin Coffee. Okay, the first one, this is they called Matcha Atsuki Daifuku. So this is what inside. This is their container. Okay. So Matcha Atsuki Daifuku. And then we have here matcha latte. Okay, let's see the matcha latte. Okay, so this is the matcha latte. Yep. So this is the matcha latte from Luckin Coffee. Okay, there you have it. Luckin Coffee. Okay, so that's it, guys. So thank you for watching Mr. Romeo DIY TV. Just order this snack, matcha latte, and this matcha Atsuki Daifuku. Thanks, guys. Bye.